Hello. This week on Tuesday, we sent out a call to action to every member to please contact your senator and tell them to move workers' comp reform out of the Senate now. If you haven't done so, please do so now. Ask your upper management to follow through and do the same, and any of your local businesses. We need workers' comp reform now. Another bill of great importance this week that's being negotiated is pregnancy accommodations. Currently, you have to accommodate a pregnant person that has a disability from the pregnancy. This is substantially expanding the definition of the accommodations. They're very vague, and it creates a private right of action. And finally, we have 4 great bills moving through on retail theft that will give law enforcement greater tools to make arrests and heavier penalties on people who want to steal from you. And this is your reminder that now is the time to nominate your favorite grocer or vendor for our annual industry awards that will be presented at our May 18th event in Spokane.